I just planted 6 of these hostas a few days ago, and the leaves are turning yellow on 3 of them. This one gets about 3 hours of sun a day, but the rest are in total shade. The ones I planted last year are doing fine. What do I need to do to save them, or is it a hopeless case? And this is Roger. Is this a hopeless case?
I don't think so.
Nah.
And you know, to me, it looks like sun scald. Because usually there's a margin with a dark, a dark area if it's a disease or something. But this is just, it looks like it's sun scald to me. I don't know.
Right.
And since it's getting more sun than the others, I say, move it to where they are. And if the others are happy, and it's not happy there, maybe move it to where the others are doing well.
Yes, yeah, because the others seem to be happy in the shade.
Yes.
Right, so I think I would put those in the shade. And that should work.
I would think so.
That should work, because you're right, if it has the real dark lesions or whatever, most of the time it's nematodes or something else, but you could see that. But that to me, it's just faded.
It just faded.
It just faded out. From
like that, exactly how sun scald looks.
Yeah. So it's not a hopeless case.
No.
Roger, yeah, we've just moved those
Yeah,
to the others, and it'd be just fine. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.